Is your gas oven not working like it used to? It might be time to check the igniter. A faulty igniter can cause uneven heating, longer cooking times, or even prevent your oven from lighting altogether. Here's what to watch out for. If your oven takes longer than usual to preheat, gas burners light but the oven doesn't, or you hear a clicking sound without ignition, these could be signs of trouble. Notice any strange or burning odors when the oven is in use, or perhaps your food isn't cooking evenly. These are all indicators that your oven's igniter might need repair. And if you ever smell gas during operation, turn off your oven immediately and call a professional. Ignoring these signs can lead to costly repairs and safety hazards. But don't worry, with a little vigilance, you can catch these issues early and keep your oven running smoothly. Remember, regular maintenance is key to cost efficiency and safety. When it's time for a repair, look no further than Appliance Repair Burnaby. We're here to ensure your kitchen stays safe and efficient. Trust us to get your oven back in perfect working order. Because at Appliance Repair Burnaby, your peace of mind is our top priority.